That is some class A love. S tier.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, Aurora. Is your big sister giving you big licks? She's so much bigger than her.
Yeah.
Oh,
quite a size comparison.
how sweet. Look at their heads together. Hers is so much bigger. Oh, she gets comfy.
Oh no.
That's cute. Daisy goes into overdrive.
Hyper licks.
Yeah, Daisy, is that good? Is your kitten asleep? Nice. The sleepy kitten behavior.
Sleepy kitten behavior.
Yeah. She's really getting at everything.
Yeah.
She started here. Her whole face is wet. Now she's worked her way back here. Yeah, Daisy, is that nice? Oh no.
Oh, sweetie.
That's too much.
Oh, we love when you do that, sweetie. Oh,
Did you make a sound? Can I pet here? Thank you. Ooh.
oh no. Tiny kitten, dude.
Tiny kitten. We love her. I like her ear. Look at her ear.
Yeah.
Her ear's got some cool design on it.
Close.
The inside. Yeah, yeah. Perfect. Oh god, look how cute.
Adorable.
She's got like a small amount there. Right now she's tabby. Be different though. She's definitely an orange cat. Yeah, give her big licks.
Good job.
Make it in closer here. Yes. She is toothless in the front.
The toothless one.
The toothless one. Long-time viewers, who knows why? You gotta say it below.
You gotta tell us.
Do you remember what I have told you? Oh, she's really got it. She's soaking her. I love that she does the... Oh,
no.
no. That's actually too much.
Way too much.
Oh no, she's asleep. She's just totally asleep.
Sleepy kitten.
She's doing a great job, Daisy. Good job.
Good job.
Good job, sweet girl. Good job. I'm surprised Moo is not here and the sun as well.
There's actually going to end up sun by the front door.
Oh, good boy. That is beautiful.
Well, it's currently going into overcast, so I don't know how much sun it's getting.
He's getting enough. You can make some on his fur. We can't see it, but it's there.
Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Oh, that's what that is.
Yeah, it's actually incredible.
Yeah. You can kind of feel it sometimes. You can't really see it, but
Oh.
it generates a lot of excess static.
Oh. Spicy static.
Oh.
That was my favorite thing to find out. Spicy pillows.
Spicy pillows.
If you don't know what spicy pillows are, their battery's about to explode. They swell. They're spicy pillows because of it. I couldn't believe it.
That's incredible.
That
I
was
love spicy pillows.
spicy pillow. Oh, Daisy. Do you? Is she a spicy pillow? She looks like a spicy pillow.
She does.
Doink, 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 doink. She doesn't move.
Oh, you gotta do the sleep test. You gotta see if her arms limp.
It's the sleep
Oh,
test.
no.
She passes it.
She passed. Flying colors, sweetie. Good job. Oh Oh no, it bounced.
I don't touch her. Ooh, ooh, she's cute. Ooh, she's cute.
Oh, how cute.
She's
Tiny
getting
kitten. Tiny lovey girl. A big lovey girl.
a big lovey girl and
Tiny
tiny.
lovey big girl.
Tiny lovey big girl.
Tiny lovey big girl.
It's the whole. You got the whole recipe going on there. Is that right? Yeah, I could see Chef Daisy. There wouldn't be Moo. Moo would just eat every ingredient as he
no,
makes.
he'd never
He'd
eat
pull it
shit.
out to eat. He'd pull it out to make one thing. He'd put it in his mouth. Pull it out to make another. Put it in his mouth. They'd walk back over and they're like, Moo, where's all the ingredients? We were supposed to get. And they just take out a giant list and he just salivates and nods. Oh, that one was a good one. Yeah, I liked that.
Yeah.
Oh, booey.
Oh, mooey boy. Mooey floaty boy.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Oh no, a big stretch. Good job, sweetie.
Oh, she's licking
Oh,
her
no.
stomach.
Oh no.
That's so cute. No. Look at these legs. Look at those arms.
Oh no.
That's perfect. Ideal. This is an ideal situation.
I can't believe this is happening.
Are you tearing up? I think you're tearing up. That's sweet. You hear that? Uh-oh. Oh, sweetie, having a nice time?
No. Is that fun?
You like your big sis? Are you gonna slowly fall asleep or are you gonna
Oh yeah.
flop the other way and attack? No? Yes? Nope, sleepy. Oh no, she just bit a big
A
breath.
big sigh.
What'd you sigh over, sweetie?
Relief.
Relief over what? Oh, but that's it. What's her response? Is she upset? It stopped. Are you okay? You okay?
Oh no.
She's yeah, I don't really care. Daisy, good job making it yourself.
Great job, Daisy.
Oh, she's doing the face clean.
Oh,
That's the best.
a fan favorite.
A fan favorite, indeed. And she's just asleep. She joined Moo in the dream realm. Oh, Daisy. Can you sniff me while you're doing that? Will you sniff me while you're doing that? Yay, good girl.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
She look at that. Oh, the sun's right on her specifically. She must love that. All right, Daisy, I'll leave you to it. You did a great job.
Soaking in the rays. Good job, Days.
We're very. Ooh, that's cute. I love that. Oh, Daisy. Ooh, Daisy. Does Cat Dad love you?
Oh, I do.
Does Cat Dad love you?
I do. I just love our big Daisy girl.
Our big Daisy girl. Oh, you get loved by Cat Dad.
Of course. Happy.
She zones. There was some complex thought going on there.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
good night, sweetie. Oh, that's it? She's going to sleep so fast. That's it. They're both asleep now.
Oh no.
Amazing.
Incredible.
Good night to the two of you. Good night, good night.